What is up, boss? In this video, we'll show you how to change the color and text of the Contact Us button, which leads to the contact form. Just go into your page settings. We're going to go to text, colors, and fonts. And let's go to text customizations. And let's say you want to change your contact button from Contact Me to Contact Steve. Make it a little bit more personal. And you see it was automatically saved. And let's go to the colors also. You find the Contact Me button color. Let's change that up. There we go, nice blue, automatically saved. Let's refresh this page. And you'll see now it says Contact Steve, and it's now in that blue. And that's how you change the text and the color. And of course, if you want to do this you can do this on a individual page. So let's just go to, let's say an appointment, intro call, edit, text, colors, and fonts, and just look for the contact button. You can use the global settings or you could override it. You see it has the Contact Steve because we changed that globally. So if you use it globally, you could override it, and it would be the same thing with the color customizations. Just look for the Contact Me button color. And again, you see that's blue. You have the global settings, or you could undo the global settings. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps.